Take it or leave it, but if I see any of these things at a coffee shop, I'm leaving. If the milk steaming sounds like actual screaming, run. Proper milk steaming sounds like a gentle paper tearing, not a horror movie soundtrack. Dozens and dozens of syrup flavors behind the counter, like it could double as a snow cone stand. Listen, I'm not above a flavored latte from time to time. Flavored syrups are fine, but if they're the star of the bar, the coffee probably isn't. The next red flag is that the staff vibe is off. Specialty coffee should feel welcoming, and good service is just as important as good espresso. That apathetic barista giving you the death stare while taking your order is just a joke, or at least I think it should be. Visible buildup on the steam wands. I will not elaborate. Flies in the pastry case. This one is probably a hot take, but if the display isn't cared for, chances are the rest of the shop isn't either. Visible oil in the bean hoppers, or worse, the coffee in those hoppers is super oily. Oily beans are not necessarily a bad thing. However, when they are super oily, it's typically a sign of over-roasted coffee. Not to mention the fact that oil does go rancid, and if the grinders themselves are super oily, there's a chance they're not being cleaned, and that will impact the taste of your coffee. And lastly, the milk pitchers. I always like to see different types of milk pitchers for different types of milk to avoid cross-contamination. So if the same pitcher's being used for all the milks, I do not like that. I also don't like seeing milk pitchers stored on top of the espresso machines. They get heated up there and it doesn't make for a good milk preparation process. And don't even get me started about not storing the milk in a fridge at all. That's just nonsense. Those are my coffee shop red flags. What are yours?